Alright, plenty people. Good day to each and every one of you guys. You know what I mean? As you can see, we're gonna chef up some food in the day. You know what I mean? Some dumpling, yam and banana. Yeah? Yes, man, with some broad bean and saltfish. You see me? I could get down in right now there, so I go and knead out some flour. As you can see, some mixed flour with cornmeal. Yeah, man, there, round it up. Round it up. Yep. Alright, perfectly done. Let's move on. We're gonna add some salt to the water. Alright. So salt in. Yep. Ready up. Get the stove light, as you can see here. Alright, so we're gonna start eating some food, you know. Yeah. It's the banana and the yam. Good old yellow yam. Yep. Those bananas are so lovely. They're very soft, just like the yam. Soft and nice. Alright. There, so I get the banana them peel. You know what I mean? Alright, so yeah, so we are getting down in the yam, you know. Get the yam peeled. Beautiful piece of yellow yam. Yeah. Very soft, as you can see. The knife is just pulling through. No hackling whatsoever. So there, slice it up, cut them in slices. Yeah. Alright, so we're done with the food now. The water is boiling, so I guess it's time to get our flour in. Yeah, man, so there, so I knead up some dumpling. Yep. Knead up some dumpling. That's how we do it here in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yes, Alright. Alrighty. Still got a few more to go. Alright, so yeah, so now we are going get down in the saltfish. Normally I would boil, let the saltfish scald in the pot with the dumpling, but in this case I'm gonna do it separately. Alright, just to, you know, display the whole process. Yeah, man, so as you can see, all food stuff are in. All food stuff are in now. Saltfish boiling up. Alright, here we're getting our banana in. I forgot those bananas. So we're getting our banana in. They are very easy to cook, so I put them in last. They are the last to get in. Alright, we'll go dice up some seasoning, you know. Saltfish almost finished, so get the seasoning ready. This is our onion, as you all know, or should know. Get the nice tomato, you know. Alright, get down some scallion. Alright, so season done. It's time to get the saltfish off. Start to prepare the saltfish for the final time. Let's get the bones, debone the saltfish and stuff. So that's our butter bean. That's what we're gonna mix with the saltfish. Get the seasoning in. Stir them to a, you know, satisfied yeah man. So as you can see, beautiful people. So we're getting our butter bean, you know. Yes, I like to put it with everything in it. You have some persons throw off the water off it. I mix it with everything. Looking lovely, peeps. Looking lovely. Alright, we're gonna add some black pepper to it, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, so peeps, that's the finishing touch. That is the finishing touch, my people. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Alright, bless up, peace out.